See here one question is d square y by dt square minus y is equal to 0. So this also is second order linear differential equation. So we have to solve auxiliary equation. Right side 0, right. Then what is auxiliary equation? M square minus 1 is equal to 0, then m square is equal to 1, then m is equal to plus or minus 1, right. If roots are different, then what we have to write is c1 e raised to 1 with respect to t only, t plus c2 e raised to minus t, right. So this is solution. Now two condition given, y of 0 is 1, y of 0 is 1 means 1 is equal to put t 0. Put t0 means c1 plus c2 is equal to 1. Now y of infinity is 0, right. Y of infinity 0 means y is equal to 0. Put here c1 into infinity, right. E raised to infinity is infinity. c2, right, c2 into e raised to minus infinity is 0, right. Then c1 is equal to 0 by infinity is 0, c1 is 0. c1 is 0 means here you put c1 0, that means c2 is equal to 1. After getting what is the solution? Finally c1 0, that means this term not there, c2 is 1, then e raised to minus t, right. Now but e raised to minus t not given in the solution, right. So we have to check which is satisfying e raised to minus t, right. See, you know that cos t is e raised to t plus e raised to minus t by 2, right, minus what is sin ht? This is cos ht, and what is sin ht? That is e raised to t minus e raised to minus t divided by 2, right. Now this cancel, minus minus, this is e raised to minus t here by 2 minus minus of minus plus, that means again e raised to minus t by 2, that is 2 e raised to minus t divided by 2, 2 to cancel, e raised to minus t, right. So e raised to minus t is the answer, that is equivalent to we solved cos ht minus sin ht, right. So option D is the correct option, right. All right.